So this piece of work is Il Salto de Pecore. This was made in Florence, Italy, and it is now hung at the Gallery of Modern Art. The artist responsible for this work is Giovanni Fattori, who is also Italian nationality, and the medium of the work is oil painting. The period of this work is Impressionism.
So, for the historical relevance of this painting, I feel like it's the era in which they started painting regular people, because usually it was just royalty and the rich who had paintings of themselves, and now they were starting to be like, oh, we can actually just paint like a farmer, and that's okay. And so I feel like it marks a turning point. I couldn't figure out how long it took to create, but yeah. And then why this work is important kind of goes back to historical relevance. I feel like it's important because it really shows that they kind of had a switch of thinking about art and what could be portrayed as beautiful. Because I feel like this is so beautiful, and they maybe wouldn't even considered it because these people are not royalty or rich or anything. Some defining characteristics of this work are obviously the farmers or the sheep tenders or whatever. They're just normal, they're just chilling, they're getting those sheep across the river or whatever that is. And yeah, the artist, Giovanni, he was the leader of a group of artists called the Macchiaioli. And yeah, so my personal observation of this artwork was that the perspective's really unique. I remember Fox was telling us that it's interesting because someone else could have done this painting and it would have looked completely different. Like, the perspective is really unique, and they take a lot of liberties in the way they place things. And yeah. And it's very green and inviting, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I chose it, because it just drew me in with all the plants and stuff. Compared to other works in this period, it goes right along with it. It kind of has that like dotty feel that all the Impressionist works have. It's maybe a little more clear than that, but mostly I think it matches. And then one fun fact is that Giovanni Fattori, he campaigned to free Italy from Austrian domination.